kita mulai. Like, comment, dan subscribe dulu ya.
Artificial intelligence has been around for over half a century now, and its advancements are growing at an exponential rate. The demand for artificial intelligence is at its peak, and if you wish to learn about artificial intelligence, you've landed at the right channel. This video on artificial intelligence with Python will help you understand all the concepts of AI with practical implementations in Python. Now, we talk about how Python is better programming environment for artificial intelligence. A lot of people have asked, which programming language is best for AI? Or, why Python for AI? Despite being a general-purpose language, Python has made its way into the most complex technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and so on. And why has Python gained so much popularity in all these fields? Here is a list of reasons why Python is the choice of language for every core developer, data scientist, machine learning engineer, etc. Reason 1. Less code. Implementing AI involves tons and tons of algorithms. Thanks to Python's support for pre-defined packages, we don't have to code algorithms. And to make things easier, Python provides check as you code methodology that reduces the burden of testing the code. Reason 2. Pre-built libraries. Python has hundreds of pre-built libraries to implement various machine learning and deep learning algorithms. So, every time you want to run an algorithm on a data set, all you have to do is install and load the necessary packages with a single command. Examples of pre-built libraries include NumPy. NumPy is a Python library specifically used for computing scientific or mathematical data. Keras. This library simplifies the implementation of neural networks. It also has the best functionalities for computing models, evaluating data sets, visualizing graphs, and much more. TensorFlow. Developed by Google, this library is popularly used in writing machine learning algorithms and performing heavy computations that involve neural networks. PyTorch. And so on. Reason 3. Ease of learning. Python uses a very simple syntax that can be used to implement simple computations like the addition of two strings to complex processes such as building a machine learning model. Reason number 4. Platform independent. Python can run on multiple platforms including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Unix, and so on. while transferring code from one platform to the other. You can make use of packages such as PyInstaller that will take care of any dependency issues. Reason number 5. Massive community support. Python has a huge community of users, which is always helpful when we encounter coding errors. Apart from a huge fan following, Python has multiple communities, groups, and forums where programmers post their errors and help each other. Now that you know the important Python libraries that are used for implementing AI techniques, let's focus on artificial intelligence. In the next video, I will cover all the fundamental concepts of AI. See you on the next video.